Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat not working on your device. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to close the Snapchat completely and remove it from the recent apps and open it again. Then, you can also check your internet connection. Because Snapchat won't load if you have a weak data or Wi-Fi, try turning Wi-Fi off and on. Then, you can also check the Snapchat server status. If the Snapchat is down, you can search online for Snapchat server status or check the platforms like Down Detector to see if many users are having the same issue. If the Snapchat opens but features like stories, filters, or messages don't load, try to clear the Snapchat cache. Here you can go to the settings and click the apps and select apps management and click the Snapchat. And here go to the storage and tap clear cache. And also, you can check for app updates. You can go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat and install any available update. Sometimes your account just needs a refresh. Open the Snapchat and scroll down and click log out and sign in back. You can also restart your device to fix the issues. And that's it. Make sure that your Snapchat has access to everything it needs like camera, storage, microphone, location, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.